Hello everyone, this is Wintermelon's channel. Today we are going to talk about the syntax in Python, print. It means printing the data in the shell. Here we set a variable named x. It can be a string, integer, floating point number, or Boolean value. I will explain this to you next time. Now we print the variable x. You will find that I enter x without quoting. What if we add quotation marks? You can pause the video and think about it. Okay, now let's put quotation marks around the x in. You will find that it prints not the value of the variable x, but the string x. The video ends here. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share. Support Wintermelon. Thank you for watching. See you next time.